Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very uh spontaneous video. I just woke up and I was feeling really great. The light was good, so I decided to make this video because I promised that I was going to make a video for you guys today. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to talk about a lot of things. First things first, I want to say thank you to 1,000+ subscribers. um thank you everyone. The growth has been tremendous and I'm excited as well. I also want to say that I was on a trip like last week, so I wasn't online, and the responses from the last video was whoa. And with that, I also want to say that when you send me a message and I don't respond, doesn't mean that I didn't see the message, or I probably didn't see the message, or I'm working on responding. Also, when I make reviews, I make like general opinions about the product and my personal review about the product. So when you ask me to recommend things for you or things like that, I need to actually see you to know what to say to you or what to recommend to you. So I can't just recommend anything to you. I need to see you. So that's why I leave my WhatsApp, my email, everything, Instagram in the description box. It's always very important for you to look in the description box. I still have some extra messages there and information that might be useful to you. So you should always check the description box. And yeah, so I still working a lot of reviews. If I haven't responded to your video, I am working on it. I actually have a list of products that I'm going to review and all of that. Secondly, today's video, like the thumbnail will say, I'm talking about a face cream. But before I get into that face cream, I want to give you guys a quick background. Okay, so if you've been watching me, you've seen me barefaced a couple of times. Probably you haven't seen anything like this. This is my morning face, you guys. I haven't washed my face. So I before my trip, I went to the salon to get my hair done. I was on low cut, but now I'm growing my hair out again. So and then I realized that when I go to the salon to wash my hair, most times here in our local salons, the product kind of touches your forehead, and maybe when water touches your forehead, the person washing your hair is going to like use the towel to wipe your forehead, and you know shampoo, conditioner, things touching your face, not just your forehead, your face, like around here. And I remember that when I was making my hair, it took me a while to understand that my skin was reacting to those products touching my face, and I unconsciously I just forgot. So when she was done wiping my forehead, because the water was dripping on my forehead, then I realized like, gosh, I'm in trouble. And immediately, like before the end of that day, I everywhere, and I knew and I remembered. Okay, so if you're someone like me, hair creams, hair care products, you should actually try to take your hair back as much as possible so that it's not touching your face. And even if it touches your face, I would recommend you rinse with water and don't use their towel to wipe your forehead or your face. You are going to set yourself up for a lot. Okay, so naturally I don't even use towel on my face. I allow my face to air dry, because when I'm applying my product, the product will just sink into my skin immediately. And so yeah, that's just me giving you guys like a quick update on that. Okay, now my light has disappeared. So next things first, the actual reason why we're all here is the Madam White face cream. I promised I was going to make a review of this face cream, and I just want to quickly tell you guys, I will leave a picture of the ingredients and all of that, but I want to tell you guys quickly what it has. It says Madam White exclusive. This is a new pack. Yes, I'll talk about the packaging in a bit. It has water, stearic acid, vitamin E, allantoin, carrot oil, collagen, glycerin, citric acid, kojic acid, vaseline, um, fragrance and all of that. It's made in EU, produced by Evo Cosmetics. It's 60 grams, which I don't think it's not completely 60 grams. I'll talk about that in a bit. So for the packaging, it comes, this is the new packaging, and it had another type of packaging. So if you go to the store and you want to buy, there might be a different type of packaging. I will put a picture of that so you guys can see. Oh, before I forget, I bought this face cream for 3,000 naira. I got it for 3,000 naira. Yes, is it? When you buy it, when I bought it, I saw that it was like brownish in color, and I was scared because usually when you buy a product, when a product that has a lightning agent oxidizes, it becomes like brownish. Okay, so when I saw it, I thought it was oxidized, but then I went online and I did my research and realized that, oh, okay, this is how the face cream is. Okay, so on the top, extra whitening, facial cream, universal corrector, all of that. Now, this product, this is how it is inside. Okay, so this is it. I think the 60 grams is just this thing is kind of heavy. The container makes it 60 grams. It's not really a lot of products inside. So this is how it is inside. It's not really a lot. Sorry guys, my lights is all over the place. You have to pardon me. Yeah, so that's that about the color and what you should expect in terms of, you know, quantity. It's not a lot. So now let's get into it. I love the ingredients listed on this product apart from the Vaseline. Some people swear by Vaseline. I'm not one of those people. I don't like Vaseline on my face, but so far this face cream has been good in, you know, fighting the on your forehead. You rarely get marks because the texture of the skin on your forehead and your cheeks can be a bit different. This part, you can get rid of your scars faster than your cheek and your jaw area. So as I'm actually trying to dry out my acne, I'm also using this to correct whatever mark is going to leave behind. I hope that makes sense. So this will be okay for oily skin. So I have an oily skin. So if you're someone that has an oily skin, this will be great for oily skin. It is not greasy. It just absorbs into the skin immediately. Let me put a little so you guys can see. So this is it. So it moisturizes and absorbs into the skin beautifully. Okay, so how to use this face cream? If you are having pigmentation, I would recommend you focus on your pigmentation areas first before you start applying all over your face. Okay, because this face cream will lighten your face probably. Woo, 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 woo. The sun, what don't like me. Okay, so this face cream will definitely lighten your face. So I would recommend you focus on your pigmentation areas first before applying all over your face. Okay, it will lighten, and maybe continuous usage, it will whiten the face. It actually does what it says it will. Okay, so here it says multi-action pimples treatment, clear dark spots, clear acne, and whitens. For the pimples, I don't really believe face creams like this will treat pimples because it doesn't contain any product here that's going to actually fight pimples, but it is great for pigmentation. The ingredients listed here will be great for pigmentation but not for fighting pimples. So if you think this is going to remove pimples for you, no, but it will fight pigmentation and even out. I like the way it evens out the face. It doesn't leave white dots, you know, all those harsh face creams. No, it's even out naturally, and it has skin brightening or lightening ingredients in it, so it will do what it says it will. Okay, so this is the face cream that I've been using for a while. I love it. It gives nice texture and evens out the face beautiful. Okay, so this is a check for me for the Madam White face cream. It can be used by oily skin. So if you're someone that has an oily skin, this will be good for you. As you can see, my face is not greasy. It's absorbed beautifully into my skin. So that's that for Madam White face cream. So I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'm so excited to be back, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Just because I have 1,000+ subscribers doesn't mean that I don't want you guys to subscribe. And we're actually working on monetizing my page so that yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.